This is a good Noche Buena feast for a family of 4 to 6. Try it. Sana po makita niyo itong video na to before you go for your grocery shopping. So, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Imagine if you're able to buy this for less than $2 in Vancouver. I don't think you can buy anything substantial for $2 really. So far so good. This is Dali. That's my receipt. I'll write down the total and the price for each of the items in the comment section, so it's more believable, it's more credible, diba? And then I went also to Landmark. According to some people, this is where you can buy cheaper like grocery items. The total for the UFC Filipino style spaghetti, 1 Nestea iced tea mix for our drink, for the 2 gulaman, for Mayo Magic Best Foods. These are all the cheaper options, okay, so that we can be able to buy more out of like $500. And also, okay, I just got to get this from the fridge. The cheaper option cheese, but I'm sure this tastes good. I tasted this before. It's queso. So the total for all on the second batch of groceries is $328.95 at Landmark. So far, we almost got most of our ingredients. When I totaled the 2 receipts, okay, I'll show you. So 328. Oops. Wait. 328.95 from Landmark, plus from Dolly it's 66.25. This is our total so far, 395.20 less the 500 peso budget. This is what's left of our money. So for 104.80 pesos, I'm planning to buy some meat. I am debating because I saw the prices already of the beef, minced beef. I also saw the price of ham. It's to buy as ham. It's really difficult. There's not a lot of choice. They're very expensive. The different brands. It's more than 100 pesos for sure. But for the beef, I heard that you can buy in small amounts, like 1/8 of a kilo. Let's try to see. Go with me at the grocery here where I'm staying at the mall. And I'm also thinking, because I saw this on the Bex Battalion YouTube video. So far, I'm feeling positive that I'll be able to do it. Like, you know, and then so later I'll be cooking. I'm planning to make, okay, for a family of 4, spaghetti, macaroni salad with cheese. It's in the fridge, but I was able to buy cheese too. There's also a drink, iced tea, and then to make our macaroni extra festive looking, I got 2 gulaman flavored gelatin or gulaman, yeah, red and green to make our salad more festive. I tried to look for other ingredients like fruit cocktail. It will cost us. We won't be able to buy a lot if we, you know, complete the ingredients. So for now, this is what we got. This is a total of 400.
Okay, I'm here at the grocery. Hahanap tayo ng 105 worth of meat. Maybe beef or ham or hot dog man lang or canned, whatever canned product na pwede natin gamitin sa ating recipe.
So I'm back from the grocery. I think we're able to buy almost all of our ingredients for our dish, the spaghetti and the macaroni salad. Yeah, I think we're successful because for 105 pesos, I was able to buy 3 canned goods. Talagang, well, I can't, like the price of ground beef is too much. So we're just gonna opt for Carne Norte is corned beef. This one has a no markdown price here at Save More. I don't know until when they're gonna do that, but this canned 260 grams of CDO corned beef is $45.50 markdown. And instead of ham, di carry ng powers natin, ang budget natin ng ham. We just opted to have beef loaf. This one is on sale too today at Save More for $19.50. Naka-markdown. Siguro that's what we should do. Find, you know, ingredients that has discounts or markdown. So Argentina, the small can, is only $19.50 today. I'm saying only because there are lots of other brands with a higher price tag. And of course, for our salad, I was able to buy pineapple tidbits. Because for me, I really like the taste, sweet, sour for our macaroni salad. This is 39 pesos. So, we are ready, I think, to cook. Join me. Let's cook.
Nagbuboil na po ba yan? Pwede ko na bang isalin sa ating container? First time ko po magluto ng ano ba to? Gulaman. And I'm not sure if this is already boiling or what. Medyo matagal pala siya ipaboil. Kasi ganun yung instructions. You have to mix it off the flame, and then after mixing or and because we don't have a ham, I thought of just frying some beef loaf as sort of like the ham representation. So let's fry them. And now let's make our spaghetti sauce. So So did you see that? I was able to put all the pasta that we cooked inside the spaghetti sauce and we mixed it thoroughly. It tastes really sweet. So if you're into the sweeter kind of spaghetti, this is perfect for you. UFC is perfect for you. There are lots of like the beef bits in it, so I believe this is a good spaghetti for it's like for our budget. So do try it. And now we're ready to assemble our salad. This is macaroni salad. So, dahil ang dami po nating macaroni, I only used half. Okay? Kasi maliit lang container natin. And also, I want to make sure that our all-purpose dressing is perfect. Like, I don't want it like, not to have enough of the dressing. Okay? I just realized that this is not mayonnaise. It's all-purpose dressing. I wish this works. I don't know if I've tasted this before, but let's try. Sarap. Matamis-tamis. It's on the sweeter side. I think this is gonna be perfect. So half of our macaroni, maybe let's add a little bit of our ulan, a little bit of the red, some of the green, because we don't. Look at that. Wow. Mahabang tinipid po yan. And then, oh, look at this. Haha, one red, one green. Mukha na siyang Christmassy. O, diba? So use colorful gelatin. What's next? Let's add the fried extra beef loaf. Okay? Instead of ham or hotdog kasi sobrang mahal po. See? And then our cheese. Mukha na bang festive and yummy. This is half of the 200-gram cheese. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Dami pa. Dami pa. Look at this. Okay, now let's mix. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. I'm excited. And so we're done finally with our Noche Buena feast. As you can see, it is possible to spend 500 pesos for a meal. Noche Buena feast, good for 4 people or more. Imagine, this is one serving of the salad that we made with cheese, macaroni. Do not pass on the cheese. Yung matabang na taste ng gelatin. Now it's like okay because of the creamy and tasty dressing. So I just realized that it's not mayonnaise, but really that brand is good. You gotta try that. And look how colorful. This is a winner, I promise. I'm not kidding. It's really good. Let's say sa gilid.
Para special. Ah! And this one, salad natin po. Dami. Puno-puno. Ooh, yan ka na. Malaking. Here, look at that. Ang dami na po niya. And, you know what I was thinking while I was doing this spaghetti is that baka maglasang, corned beef masyado, not much like a spaghetti. But really, because of the sauce, UFC, Filipino sweet style, it's like, I'm not kidding, it can pass for kind of like Jollibee sweet spaghetti. Although I can't lie, if you're used to having that brand for your corned beef, it's still there. You can still taste the corned beef side of the spaghetti, but not bad. I mean, that's what, around 50 pesos for one can, and it's like there are bits of beef there, so it's really good to try. The ham, I'm sorry, we're not able to get ham because it's really expensive, but with this beef loaf, it's added it's added kind of special. Alam niyo po, I'm not gonna lie, for 500 bucks and with all the extras, this is a good, in fact very good for the price for Noche Buena for a family of 4 to 6. Ang dami po nating leftover, really. Meron pa tayong pa-juice, iced tea. You can have like other flavors too. 19 bucks for a pitcher. Sabi doon 700 ml of water, but it's sweet for me. So 1 liter is perfect. Good for 4. The salad po, promise, hindi po ko kayo binabola. Yung mix ng cheese, tapos yung actually yung dressing na nagdala. Ang sarap pala ng brand po na yun. Try it. And there's even extra because tingnan nyo naman ito. Hindi na nagkasya. Wala kasi akong bigger container. Nandito ako sa friend's condo ko. So, ito lang po yung nagkasya. Pero tingnan nyo naman ang extra natin. Meron pang mga extra. Hindi ko pa inubos po ito So, see? One thing that I can advise po strongly is to put more sugar. Kasi wala po akong nakitang sugar dito. But really, if you mix it with itong salad dressing, best foods, I think. Grabe, ang sarap po. And don't pass on the pickle relish. And also, yeah, yun yung for me. And the pineapple tidbits, promise. You'll be happy. This is a good Noche Buena feast for a family of 4 to 6. Try it. Sana po makita niyo tong video na to before you go for your grocery shopping. So, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat.
Up next, I'll be sharing more Christmas traditions, events, fun gatherings, and of course, food trip. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss all the holiday vibes coming your way.